Hello traders, the title of the video is Alamos Gold Incorporation. Is this the most amazing CCI trading setup? Is this the most amazing CCI trading setup? So I have on my chart here the CCI period 14. Look at it. Can you see any CCI setup here? It is the most amazing CCI training setup. So if you are a subscriber to Day Pro Traders, if you have been following us for years, you should see an amazing CCI trading setup on this chart. Let's zoom into it. Can you see that? All right. An amazing CCI trading setup. Can you see it? All right. For those that are new to us, okay, if you are watching the video, you need to log into your YouTube account, so you may subscribe to Day Pro Traders today. All right, I talked about this before. All right, it's very, very powerful. Okay, CCI trading setup, and for this stock, it becomes very interesting for those that are trading gold stock. I say when a CCI exhibits or displays, all right, a significant high in comparison to the previous high, is alerting that, okay, there could be a rainy day, Price can run fast. We can have a home run. But we don't want to rush. We acknowledge the CCI and say, well, thank you for the warning. Price can run fast. Price can move fast. Price can go away. Good. But we want to see price breaking the resistance, retesting it, common center is broken, and then we come in with TSC WSY is usual 8, and we implement a different time frame trading method to trade it. So look at this. Can you see that? All this high here. Recently, this is an amazing CCI trading setup. I'm a bit excited. You see this high here? So looking at here, this was a significant high for the CCI where my cursor is. Can you see the pattern? Head and shoulder. It's a warning here. This is the advantage of using the CCI chart pattern. It's a warning here. Okay. Be careful, we can have a bearish move. You say, well, give me the first lower high. Where was that? So the warning was here to tell her that the stock is likely to be bearish, but our signal was here. Are you getting the message? Are you getting the message? You sell here, first target here. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this very fast. You sell here, retest, break below, retest. Target here, your target is there. That's the first low. If you want to, you can use the same distance, the amplitude of that price move down, to set as a target down. So you can go like this. You say next target there. Did people take profit in that zone? Yes, you see here, take profit here. Break below, retest that. You go below it, you project it down. See here? Yeah, it turn around here. Common center was broken. You see? So common center is broken. First target there. You can use that as a target. And here we are. Okay. Now you're seeing it now. You're seeing it. Good. Now, let's not deviate from the topic today. Alamos Gold Incorporated. We want to talk about the most amazing CCI trading. So this was a significant high. Now we see this one. This high went above the previous one. This is what we are talking about. The rainy indication. Price can fly away, can go higher. You don't want to take the CCI word for it. All right, why? Because the price is the number one indicator. What have I said to today? Don't buy anything or sell anything until you see a signal. Now, if you see the signal, ask the question, which trading setup has created the signal? If the setup is not good, walk away. How do you know whether the setup is good or not? You can validate the setup by going to the next corresponding higher time frame. This is it. So, but we cannot afford to ignore the CCI because you see here, it gives us a loudest warning that the price has a high chance to go down by exhibiting a bearish chart pattern here. Now, here it is. This is another indication here. We talk about you see the price itself form a double bottom chart pattern. Can you see that? This is the knot of the double bottom. Okay, so but I say to traders, until the price breaks above that knot, the neckline, it's not completely bullish because it can come here and it oscillate more. So this neckline for the double bottom is very important. Okay, you want to put it there. But understand this. Now, CCI went above the previous. Why is it telling us? So when you are talking about CCI, think of it like the gear of a car. So we went to a higher speed. That's why it's telling us we are at a higher speed. So that we say, oh, you mean overbought? We should sell. Yeah, people did sell only because the price breaks the common center line. If the CCI was here, but the price continued to go out without breaking the common center line, no one will sell it. Now look at this. Look at this new high. It was higher than this one yesterday. So let's move the bar to that new high. So we are here now. Look at what's happening now. Look what's happening now. Now it's going back above this high again. What is it telling us? What did I say? Think of it as a gear. It's going to a higher gear. Why this is amazing CCI a setup or signal? Because CCI is exhibiting higher high, okay? But the price didn't move so far. That's where it becomes very interesting. That's what we like. Because so far there was no reaction. It's like no one can see people just selling. But the CCI say, oh, my friend, we're going to go to a higher speed soon. But you will only understand the CCI if you use it in conjunction with the price. So what do we do at this point? I'm talking about, what are we talking about? We are talking about Alamos Gold Incorporated. Is this the most amazing CCI trading setup? Now, we'll find out a few months down the line. But if you are trading a financial instrument like Alamos Gold, one must not ignore the S&P 500. So we are trading first the market, talking about the trading triangle, okay? So this common center is broken now, okay? Draw it on your chart, okay? Check the fundamental, perform Google Asset test for this Alamos Gold, read the news at Google Finance or Yahoo Finance. Place also the PFOC tool on your chart. First point, second point, third point. Draw that PFOC tool on your chart. If you will continue to go up more, you will stay within the boundaries of that PFOC tool. All right? It's too bright, that green. Okay. All right, that's it. Now, what usually happens from this angle, as I say to trader, what is it doing very often? You go, bam, 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 hit that one, and then try to come down all the way here before zooming back up again. Sometimes you will stop near the median line or the second half of the PFOC tool. After going all the way there, that's the first reaction, before going up more. Or it will break above the median line or the second half of the PFOC tool again, blah, blah, blah. And then taking it one step at a time, as we discussed before, talking about PFOC tool trading strategy. The price does not have to behave the same way all the time, but there are things that we need to bear in mind, things that the price is doing quite often. So now, you see now, so the CCI is telling that the price has a high chance to start a new trend. The trend is likely to go up more. We may see significant high that we have never seen before. So therefore, we will acknowledge come on, how do I don't want to speak French. We will acknowledge, all right, the CCI, and we just look for trading setup on the edge. The good news is that this stock, I can tell you today, the long-term equilibrium price level for Alamo Gold is at $5.55. You cannot forget that number, 555. And the short-term equilibrium price level is at $4.20. The price now managed to find a resistance first time when it hit the long-term equilibrium price level, pull back to retest the short-term equilibrium. See the reaction here? So it went back above the short-term equilibrium price level, reaches the long-term equilibrium price level, pull back to the short-term equilibrium price level. Now is running away from the long-term equilibrium price level to retest the median line of the second half of our pitchfork tool. Okay, are you getting it? Okay. So we are looking for bullish trading setup. That's what I'm saying. So look for bullish trading setup on here, key level, trend line, pitchfork tool, hotspot trading zone, and then implement a different time frame trading method. Now, the warning is here. The CCI gives us the warning, as it did here. If the price confirming those warnings, we have an edge, especially if you are a swing trader. You want to find excellent trading setup on the edge, and then you want to implement a different time frame trading method to trade it like a pro. And if he's going to run away, he'll run away with you, which is great. You have a nice home run with the price action. All in all, the most important in this tutorial, remember that when a CCI exhibits, especially if you go from the oversold and it went up straight line like this, and to go and above a prior significant high, is alerting that there is a high chance that we may see, okay, talking about medium term, okay, we may see in the medium term, okay, a bullish trend. That's it. Now it's going above this high again, which is another significant high. It's becoming very interesting to us. This is a stock that we can put on our bullish list because we have an amazing CCI trading setup that is brewing. It's cooking. It's not ready yet, all right? And so on. Okay. So that's it. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Alamos Gold Incorporation, Epic Alpha Golf India. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on the social media. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is Day Pro Traders. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders talking about Alamos Gold Incorporated. Is this the most amazing CCI trading setup? Let me know in the comment section. Is this the most amazing CCI trading setup that you have ever come across? We want to hear from you. Or do you know a better CCI trading setup that you want us to discuss? Let me know in the comment section. Are you looking at another stock that has an amazing CCI trading setup that you want me to analyze? I want to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW SYS008 traders. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. For traders that are expecting videos from me, especially I promise a trader that I'll be recording a video about the static way. All right, it's in a pipe because of the way we post video on YouTube. We need to slow down to avoid congestion. So there must be a bit of waiting time sometimes. So that can be frustrating for some traders. They may say, Joe, you ignore me. That's not the case because we can't just pump videos every day onto YouTube. We need to create space. Otherwise, the algorithm will mark the channel down. So sometimes, if you notice, if you have been following, you notice that sometimes what I do very often, if I have enough energy, I go and I record video, in one day, and I keep them. And now it's how do we distribute them on YouTube without annoying Google YouTube algorithm. So that's why sometimes I post channels. So like now I'm posting the channel of True for Stock Trader. The reason is that there was a time when we were posting consistently, all right? So after a while, the channel needs to rest. And then you can keep posting. Almost it's good to post every day, but after a while you need to slow down. So trader may be asking and say, would you like to record a video about this? Would you like to record a video about this? But behind the scene, there are other rules that we are adhering to. So they may say, oh, why is he talking now about this person when I did ask my question 3 months ago? Why is he not replying to me? Because of different reasons. So all I say to traders, okay, relax and be patient, okay, and know that all right, it's all in the past. Sometimes, like today, I record a video when I was answering a YouTuber that asked a question few months far away ago. Another person from Australia, few months far away ago, because they posted in the comment section. I noted down, and today, here I am. I did a reply to it, and I will be posting that video in due course. All right, so just to let you know what we are doing. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for your thumbs down. Very important. Thank you for sharing. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.